Hey guys, Brandon here, Solving Citizen, and this is where we measure the truth. Alright guys, so in my last video I kind of talked about some of the things I was doing, how what I wanted to do was build a smart shop and put some technology in and make things a little bit higher quality. So I'm going to show you what I've been working on. So over here I have a smart outlet. So what I did is I plugged a bunch of things into that smart outlet and I've connected it to my Google Home, and it can control all the lights in the shop and in the laundry. So I can say, hey Google, turn off the shop light.
Okay, turning the shop light off.
And there you can see the both of the captains of the Enterprise real easily. I can also say, hey Google, turn off the laundry light.
Sure, turning the laundry light off.
There we go. And also, hey Google, turn the lights on in the garage.
Okay, turning on.
All right. So now that's not too awesome. You do all that stuff in your house, but it does raise the quality and your efficiency level up quite a bit. And it's affordable. Anybody could do it. So just a couple tips on what to do. I've also plugged my saw into that thing. So what I could do is I could tell Google, hey Google, turn off the saw.
Nothing's playing right now.
Or I'm sorry, hey Google, turn off the chop saw.
You got it, turning off the chop saw.
And now you can just pull on the switch and it's not going to go. And that gives me just a little bit more confidence having kids around the area. And then I can tell Google to turn that back on, and then I can use my saw no problem. So it's just an additional safety for shop equipment. Okay, so I am making 2 end tables, a coffee table, and a TV stand. A TV stand. Do they still call it a TV stand? That table that's mounted underneath the TV? Or that's underneath the mounted TV? Whatever you call it. I don't know. What do you call that thing? It's the TV stand. That's what the TV table. The TV tray? No, the TV it's the TV stand. Okay, so I'm building one of those. You'll see that project roll out as soon as I get it done. If you're on my Snapchat, you guys see this stuff all the time. So go ahead and follow my Snapchat. Go down below and you'll see all my information. You can see my Snapchat, and also make sure to subscribe. Let's see, what else have I got? Oh, I've got the TV hooked up. Okay, so my TV, I can say, hey Google, play Urban Prepper in the shop on YouTube.
Alright, playing Urban Prepper from YouTube on shop.
Absolutely fantastic. So I can be hands-free and do things. You know, if I'm working on a project, I'm down on the ground. If I'm working on something big, if I'm up on top of something and I can't really get down, then I could do hands-free things. I can still, Google something. Also, like when I'm, working on something and I want to know about something, I could just ask Google, and I could go on YouTube, and then when I start seeing what I want to see on YouTube, then I could go on my phone, and then I'm on my laptop. So that's like 3 levels. It's kind of streamlined everything that I do, and having this it's an amazing tool. It's an amazing tool to have. Hey Google, stop. So another thing is my preps. So I want to go over I know I talked a little bit about some of my prepping stuff last time. Let me get this down here. Okay, so I have this thing that I was talking to you guys about, and my binder, my clipboard. So this clipboard I carry around with me everywhere. I mean, it's what I would call like a level 2 item. It's not necessarily something I carry on me at all times, but it is always around me or near me or with me. So I carry this because it has everything in it, everything you could possibly want. I'm going to do a whole nother review on this stuff so that you guys can see how I do it in detail on a daily basis. And then I'll probably kick that out in the next day or so. Now, I got this bag because it has a beaver tail. It has a spot for me to just kind of stuff this down if I ever need to bail out. Okay, so tinfoil hats on. This is the Crazy Prepper stuff. So, this bag is a 511 tactical bag. It's the 72 hour, and it's got everything in it. So, I don't necessarily carry this everywhere, but whenever I leave the city or something, it's with me so that I can, just do anything. And I mean, like, do anything that I will ever need to do. So it's not necessarily I'm gonna be living the luxury lifestyle out of my bag. No, and it's not like I'm traveling in the bag. It's just, if I ever need to do something, then it's there. I think that's pretty much it, guys. I want to thank you for tuning in and checking it out. And make sure to follow my Snapchat. You will get my daily Snapchat, my daily routine on my Snapchat, and I get good feedback from you guys. So I kicked all this out to you on YouTube so that you guys can get more detail on what I'm doing, because what I'm doing here doesn't really work on Snapchat. So yeah, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, and go ahead and check out some of my other videos. Down below are some links that you can help support what I do here, and also to my Twitter and all that stuff. Okay? So you guys have a good one, and I will see you soon.